All right. Oh shit! Don't mind that. We are moving. That was my mirror that hit the thing. We're moving under our own power now. Let me get a picture. Look where we're at. Woo! Oh man. Always good to see some good oil pressure after you do a oil pump. But I think I'm gonna have to check the ignition timing because there was a lot of slop in the chain when I took it off, so I was probably adjusted prior to the slack. Now, you know, it's running a little rough right now, but hey, we'll make it happen. I heard a crack when I was lifting, lifting the trans, and I was like, this is it. Wait for it. Wait for it. We're moved under our own power. We're moving. We're moving. Oh yeah. That's just off the brake. That is just, woo! Never been so happy. I'm just over here listening to Tupac, just moving my Tahoe back and forth. I don't care. Woo! Woo! Ooh, let me back it up one time. Look at the flow. Ah! Yeah! Oh shit! I just hit the trans box. Fuck. The exhaust manifold, flange, whatever, pipe cracked on the passenger side, and I'm just looking in here. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing leaking right now. All the oil cooler lines for the trans, oil cooler lines for the engine, they're not leaking. I sprayed water everywhere. It smells a little burnt because there's just open header on that side. Oh man. Yeah, we are moving. Almost there. Almost freaking there. Whew, you always get nervous on startups, but you see, got the new oil cooler fittings and lines. Nothing leaking there. Actually, the drain plug needs a new crush washer, but there it is. There's my open header. I was right here doing the trans. I was putting the trans in, and then it was like, boom! I was like, dude, this is it. This is how I go out. I'm alone in the dark. It's raining, and I'm gonna die with a 4L60 on top of me. It's just gonna crush me. But nope, it was just that. So that's good. Nothing crazy going on. There's a little residual laying around everywhere, but overall, we're looking good. Hell yeah. Let me get out of here. I'm done being on the ground. Ugh. I did all of this on the ground. Jesus. Okay. Whew. We're back up. We are back. All right. Well, since it's gonna rain all day tomorrow, I'm not really gonna be able to do anything with it. I would like to take it to an exhaust shop first to get it figured out, and I'm actually getting a misfire code now. So yeah, I gotta either readjust the timing or find out what's going on with it. I mean, I hope I don't have to take it back apart. It's a small block Chevy. I mean, dot to dot, right? So yeah, that's it. Everything's done. And then even when I was looking at it, I mean, the bank that the exhaust broke off, I mean, the fuel trims are like 50%, and it's only on that one bank. The other bank's like 3 or so percent. So I'm pretty sure it's just that exhaust leak causing the misfire and causing it to run rich and all kinds of other crazy stuff. So I'll get to it. I would, like I said, I would like to drive it and do a good video and take it out by the lake and get some good shots of it, but that'll be coming up soon. But for right now, it's essentially, it is all done and it is almost ready to drive and get some Chick-fil-A. So if you want to look up for other videos that are gonna come out later for when it is all the way ready and done and roadworthy, and then I can actually take it and go use it for something. Peace. Moving, bitches. Off the brake. Woo! Ooh, and back it up one time. Look at the flow. Ah! Yeah! Oh shit! I just hit the trans box. Fuck.